Today I introduce you to the recipe for fried artichokes in batter, a crunchy and tasty side dish that enhances the unique taste of this vegetable. The ingredients are 4 artichokes, 200 milliliters of cold sparkling water, 150 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, optional pepper and oil for frying. Clean the artichokes by removing the tougher outer leaves, cutting off the tip and removing the inner choke if present. Soak the cleaned artichokes in water acidulated with lemon juice to prevent them from turning black. Prepare the batter by mixing the flour with cold sparkling water, salt and pepper until you get a smooth and lump-free mixture. Heat the seed oil in a deep frying pan and bring it to temperature, about 170 degrees Celsius. Drain the artichokes well from the acidulated water and dip them in the batter, making sure they are completely covered. Fry the artichokes in batter in the hot oil until they become golden and crispy, turning them occasionally for even cooking. Remove them with a slotted spoon and lay them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serve them hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of salt on the surface to enhance their flavor. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our tasty recipes, and visit our website for other delicious dishes. Fun fact, fried artichokes are a classic of Roman cuisine, often served as an appetizer accompanied by a good glass of sparkling white wine.
Dicevo ballo ballo ballo